Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that CRCLon token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, CRCLon is the Ondo tokenized version of Circle Internet Group, giving token holders economic exposure similar to holding CRCL and reinvesting any dividends. Ondo tokenized stock enables non-US retail and institutional users around the world instantly mint and redeem tokenized US stocks and ETFs 24 a day, 5 days a week with full access to traditional exchange liquidity. Additional restriction applied. CRCLon is a blockchain-based token that represents economic ownership in Circle Internet Group, the company behind the USBC stablecoin created through Ondo Finance tokenized platform, according to website. CRCLon token total supplies around 713,000 and circulating supplies also 713,000. CRCLon token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, MEXC, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.